I spend most of our wild and reckless youth exploring now. Lots of caves, lots of adventure, if you know where to look. And we all knew where to look. Unbelievable spirit, upset by uninvited visitors. Look who's drifted out of the bayou. Off the port, Captain. It's Beacon Joe. Captain, Indian Village to port.
Now that's something you don't see much out this way. That's an Algonquin Indian village. Looks to be from the Powhatan tribe. Other village off the port has been here a while. Most of the Indians along the river don't quite know what to make of our steamboat. They call it Paddlewheeler, which means fire, because of the smoke and sparks pouring out of our house. The first time we passed this way, they thought it was the return of
Attention deck watch. Shoals to port and starboard. Engine room, steady on.
We're entering shallow water, but
playing more. Most of these old ports started out as trading posts. Then as settlers started heading west, the Army came in and took them over. My feeling is, these days, there's a lot less frontier and a lot more civilization than is truly necessary.
Deep water,
back over yonder there in the woods, I've heard folks hereabouts say it's haunted. They say it was built on sacred Indian burial ground, so now it's filled with spirits. If you ask me, I'd say the ones telling those tales are the ones filled with spirits. If you want proof, just ask them. They got it. About 100 proof, I reckon. And whatever you do, don't strike any matches if they aim to breathe in your direction. And you won't just be...
Thank you, everyone, for traveling the rivers of America with us today.
Engine room. Approach levee at 1/4 steam. Man the bow line. Purser, check freight and cargo. All hands prepare to dock. All passengers, stand by to go ashore.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Liberty Square. At this time, please gather your personal belongings and take small children by the hand. And please head down, down, down to the very bottom deck, the one closest to the water, as this will be the home of our one and only exit. For your convenience, there are additional stairways on the right, starboard side of the boat, and both the left. Thank you very much, folks, and please watch the step as it is.